What's going on, OFR? This is Madeline, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, I know a lot of you guys are trying to relocate to Central Florida. You're trying to find where's the best locations, and you're wanting to know what are apartments expecting from you guys, right? Because there's so much apartments here in Orlando, Winter Park, and Kissimmee, and we have so many different areas that you can choose from. So today I'm going to talk about 3 things that you need to keep in mind to actually, make your search a lot easier. So let's get to it. So number 1 is income. A lot of apartments want to know that you have an income. If you're relocating to Central Florida, you must have an offer letter with the amount of money that you're going to be making a year, and that could be, a lot of apartments will use that. Now, if you have liquid money in the bank account, a lot of people do not want to see a bank account. So you want to make sure that you have some income, or you have something that, that you're making money on a monthly basis, or you have IRAs, or ask the questions. Hey, what do you guys expect from me if you guys don't receive, if I can't show you my bank account, or, that's basically, you have to ask questions. But for an example, they want to make sure you make, some apartments here want to see twice. Well, you have to ask, because some people want to see twice a month if the rent is super high. Some of them do 2.5, and then others do 3 times the rent. So you want to ask them, hey, how much income do I have to show? Is it twice, 1.5, or 3? So for example, if a 1-bedroom is $1,400 and they want to see twice a month, then you want to show that you make about $33,600 a year. If they want to see 3 times the rent, so you basically take $1,400, you times it by 3, and it shows about $50,000 a year. And you could do that with the 2.5 as well. So you want to make sure that you're showing the income that you're going to be providing to get qualified for that apartment. All right. Number 2, they're going to be asking you how many people are going to be staying in your apartment, how many people are going to be applying. And the reason they're going to ask that is because everyone that's 18 years old need to fill out an application. Now, I know a lot of people are not used to application fees. Well, I gotta bust your bubble, but here in Central Florida, they do ask you for application fees, and they range about $50 all the way to $150. Some of them have specials. Some of them have preferred employers. So ask about those unique specials or unique programs that they have that can save you with the application fee. But what they want to know is everyone that's going to be living there, because whoever fill out the application, they will run the application, and everyone has to be approved based on background, credit, as well as background, credit, and rental. All 3 of those. All right. Most of them just basically package everything up, put it in a system, and then they'll get a grade, or they'll get the approval based on all those 3. So you want to keep that in mind. If you owe an apartment complex or any real estate community, a lot of apartments will deny you. So if you know that you owe another community, or you have issues with someone that had reported to your credit report that you owe them any money, you probably want to pick up the phone and call them, negotiate with them, and get that taken care of before you come down here and apply for an apartment complex or for an apartment. So you want to, and also they also want to know everyone that's going to live there, because we want to put that on the lease. So if you, let's say, a lot of people want to, I'm going to apply and I'm going to get this apartment, but it's for my sister that's coming, and I won't be living in it. That doesn't work in Central Florida, because when your sister comes in, and if she's not on the lease, they will not release any keys. They will not, she can pay the rent online. She can take the money. They will take the money, but if she needs any work orders, or if anything's if the apartment has an issue, there's going to be an issue, because the person who's on the lease is responsible for that unit, and is the only person that can come in, do work orders, and report anything on that unit. So keep that in mind, because I know a lot of people, they come with that story. So that's just a heads up. And number 3, it's be open and transparent. Don't wait till the time that, you're paying out any money, and you basically, oh, so-and-so is going to come, or, something pops up. If you're basically open with the leasing agent, then she's able to help you out and to give you advice on how to work things out. So, don't be afraid. This is a new market. It's a new place. It's something different. You're not familiar with it. But if you're honest, then they'll be able to help you out to get to the next level. Because at the end of the day, they want your business. So just talk about it, ask questions, and enjoy your search here in Central Florida. There's so much apartments here that you can choose from. It's all about where and where you want to live, how much you want to pay, and the amenities that you want on a daily basis. So those are my 3 tips for what apartments are expecting from you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share this with a friend or family member that are relocating, and let's just spread the love. So if you like this video, I am going to be bringing more videos like this. So subscribe to my channel, ask questions, and I'll definitely bring any resources or anything that I know that I can help you guys out to get the apartment that you're looking for and make your move a lot smoother and help you make moves. All right, talk to you guys later and have an awesome day.